Presenting the 2004 Chrysler Town & Country LX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: front-wheel drive, wheel covers, bucket seats, engine immobilizer, AC, intermittent wipers, keyless entry, power windows, and cruise control. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.